Good morning. Oh my god, no, let's wait till I put makeup on before I start this vlog. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. I've got myself up and ready. It is Boxing Day, the day after Boxing Day. I don't think that has a name, which is a bank holiday in the UK because of the way Christmas has fallen. So today me and Pete are meeting my cousins for lunch in Chelsea. I think it's in Chelsea, like Belgravia area, and then we are gonna go and do some shopping on the King's Road. So I thought I'd take you along with me. It probably won't be any thrifting shopping. We're gonna go and check out like the Boxing Day sales and stuff, which is something like I allow myself to do every Boxing Day. Some of my favourite purchases, actually I'd say the majority of my new favourite purchases, like brand new favourite purchases, have all been Boxing Day purchases, and I love kind of waiting to this time of the year, snapping up a bargain and something I'm gonna love forever. I bought an amazing pair of like sparkly rhinestone boots that are gonna be my Christmas and New Year's and probably throughout the year staple going forward, and I picked them up for I think it was £35 from Zara, so obsessed with those. They're not here yet, but I'm hopefully going to be obsessed with them. And yeah, I thought I'd just take you along on the day with me. My outfit's a little bit different than normal for me, my styling, so I'm going to kind of show you what I've put together. This is today's look. I've got my aviator jacket on, got this stripy jumper with a, what's this called? A thermal underneath from Uniqlo. And then I'm wearing flared jeans and boots. It's a vibe, like actually, I'm very proud of this outfit. And then I got the little Louis. Let's go shopping and eating. Made it. That was so quick. We're really early on. We can do a photo shoot. I guess you wouldn't really call it a back street, would you? We're in the like kind of back. I don't know if you call it a back street. Like apparently it's Pimlico, but this is Pimlico now. Oh. I didn't realise Pimlico and Chelsea were literally this close to each other. I think we're coming up to the pub, but it's like a street. I don't know what it's called. Oh, it's called Pimlico Road, and it's got like loads of different homeware shops on, but they're like, you know, swaggy homeware shops, and the stuff is so nice, and I'm obsessed. Let me flip around. Oh my god, that's so nice. Do you like it? I really like. Oh, I like that like chair thing though.
So we're just at a meal in, where are we?
So you're on 0 hours contract.
Nice.
Welcome to that. I need to go down a bit. That's better, isn't it? Welcome to the haul portion of the video. So if you wouldn't have got this far if you hadn't watched the video. Oh my god, I'm in like a little like mental little daze. I've like planned to film 3 videos today, and it is, to be fair, it's only like 9:15. So I think I'm gonna do it, but I'm in a little bit of like a what am I filming next, like lineage moment. But yeah, so I wanted to show you the haul of what I picked up in the King's Road and shopping on Boxing Day sales. I was sort of hoping my Zara order would arrive so I could add this in, but if you would like to see what I picked up in Zara, then it will probably be on my Instagram at some point, which is ellensinwonderland, if you want to go check me out there. But what I picked up from Ganni, I showed trying on some things, but I ended up picking up this gorgeous knit jumper. It's, oh, I love it so much. I got this in a large, which is good because it fits around my boobs, but Ganni sizing is actually very generous. Like I've got another Ganni little like jumper that's in a small, so the sizing is generous. It fits really nicely like around my body. Just to get around my boobs, I did need a large. But if you're thinking of purchasing, and this was, I think, it was 40% off. So originally it was, I've got a tag on here, 225, and I think I paid 130 for it. So yeah, great price. I absolutely love it. It's so like soft. Quite a few of the jumpers were quite scratchy, but this is, yeah, so soft and gorgeous, and I love that it's got the Ganni branding on it as well. Yeah, big fan of that. My hair looks so dark today. But yeah, big fan of this. I absolutely love it. Obviously, otherwise I wouldn't have bought it. Sorry, just moving my hair colours like right in my way for the shoe unboxing. It's cooled down enough, I'd probably put it away. And then, I don't think I filmed much of this because it's quite like a small, intimate store, and like it's like really good customer service. So the guy who was serving us was like, you know, all over us, like in a nice way. Like I appreciate, oh shit, my necklace off. Like I appreciated it, because especially because I like wanted some advice on the shoes and stuff. That's why I'd gone into store. Yeah, that's why I'd gone into store in the first place, because I wanted some like help with the shoes and the sizing. And I've never shopped from this brand before. It's a Miista. So yeah, I'd never shopped here before, so I wanted some help with like the sizing and like what to choose and how they fit and that sort of thing. And I didn't actually realise they had a store in London. They've got one in I always call it Kingly Court, but it's not, Duke of York Square on the King's Road. And I don't actually know if it's London based, but I know it says like designed in London, made in Spain. So I don't know, maybe it's a Spanish brand, maybe it's an English brand, I don't actually know, but it's called Miista, M-I-I-S-T-A. I think that's how you say it, Miista. It did have the pronunciation up on the door, but I don't know if I took a picture of it. And I'd seen these online, and I just, yeah, I wanted to go see what they were like in real life because they're quite unique. And this is the boots. Sorry, I feel like I've really like made that really like anticipation-y, but this is the boots. They are amazing. The really kind of iconic thing about Miista shoes is they're a really kind of square toe, which is so cool. And then they've got this little like, it's got a little like stick heel as well. I love the shape of this boot. I think it is so fun and so unique. It was obviously all leather, I think, yeah, leather. And yeah, it says made in Spain on it as well. So like made in, like a lot of Spanish factories really deal in leather. So it's made in a Spanish factory, and it's, yeah, fully leather. And I've gone for this like two-tone colour. This boot did come in denim as well, which I thought was quite cool. Also, how cute do these look together? Come in denim as well, which I thought was quite cool. But I wanted something like, I don't know, like a really like, something like really injecting like real fun into my wardrobe. Like I could wear a really basic outfit and pair this with it and it would just be stunning. Yeah, I absolutely love them. They fit really, really beautifully. Really, like, I feel like they're going to be really, really comfortable. He said, the guy in the store said they do run big, so definitely if you're considering buying these online, I would go like kind of true to size. You don't just size up or anything. I've gone for a size 4, which is my true size, and they're a little bit tight, but he says they, because of the nature of the leather, they do stretch a bit, but my toes like go up to like here on them because they're like, they are on the longer side, but they are quite thin as well. But yeah, I absolutely love them. I will probably put together some styling content on my Instagram with these because they're insane, so do go check that out as well. But I thought I'd show you them in this video. And yeah, that is everything I picked up. Oh, these were, I think, £210, I think, but they were 50% off, so a total bargain. I don't know if they've got the price on anyway. I don't think they would. No, they don't have the price on, but they're called the Brenda ankle boot if you're interested. I will leave them linked down below if I can find them as well. I'm sure they'll still be available. But yeah, they're so stunning. I'm obsessed with them, like completely. And yeah, that's everything I picked up. If you enjoyed the video, guys, please do remember to hit that subscribe button. I am changing my schedule for January, so I'm going to be uploading Wednesday and Sunday at 6 PM instead of the Monday. So if you are a regular viewer, we're going to be changing the schedule a little bit, so it'll be, yeah, Wednesday and Sundays I'll be uploading. So if you're interested in still checking out my videos, that'll be the days to do it throughout January, because this is my last video of the year now. So happy new year if you're watching this before the, wait, is this gonna go? Oh no, it'll be January. Will it be January when this video goes live? Oh my god, I have no idea. If it's January, this is gonna be my first video that goes live on a Wednesday. Let me check. Where's my phone? So no, it will be, I'm talking out my arse, it will be January this week. You will be watching this, you'll know when it goes live. I don't know why I'm rambling on so much. Oh my god, new schedule, Wednesday and Sunday. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.